In the heart of Dallas, where the neon lights glow, I'm grooving in the twilight, caught in the flow. Alone in this city, feeling out of space, my wife soon to join me, leaving her northern embrace. 6 months in the Heartland, where temptation runs wild, I'm drawn to the nightlife where shadows beguile. The call of freedom whispers like a siren's tune, but, you know, my heart holds fast to the one under the moon. My wife's packing up, leaving her family behind, to join me soon, our lives intertwined. In Chicago, she dreams of the life we'll create, while I wrestle the urges, sealing our fate. Honky-tonk bars and the scent of sweet perfume, a haze of temptation in the smoky room. My vows echo softly in my conflicted mind, a promise of love that I've sworn to bind. I dance on the edge, my conscience is my guide. The lines blurred, yet guilt's hard to hide. I see her face in every southern smile, and my heart aches, knowing it's just a while. The nights grow longer, the whiskey burns slow, but I cling to the essence of the love I've come to know. A devoted wife waits, soon to embrace, her love my anchor in this wild, tempting place. Under a whiskey-soaked sky, with stars burning bright, the southern breeze carries whispers of sin through the night, but my thoughts remain on the love we begin. In just a few months, we'll be together again. For in the Heartland's pull, I find my true test. To hold on to the love that's proven the best. I won't make memories that aren't hers to keep, for the love of my wife runs strong and deep. Dallas may tempt with its freedom and cheer, but my heart remains true, despite the fear. For in the end, love's light will always shine, and I'll welcome my wife, forever intertwined.